Hi, shalom everyone. This is Michal from Hebrew Through the Bible. In this short video, I want to introduce a free website that helps you with parsing biblical Hebrew verbs, something that you will need quite a bit, and with diagramming biblical Hebrew verses. The website is called biblebento.com. If you click here on the left-hand side on BHS, you can see a couple of options. And then on simply BHS, which stands for Biblia Hebraica Stuttgartensia, which is the edition of the Masoretic text as preserved in the Leningrad Codex. And this website presents the biblical text, only the biblical text of the Leningrad Codex, but without the Masoretic and text critical notes. Those notes can be found in the print edition. I will put some of the links in the in the description on the bottom, and also a link to buying the print edition. So you go to BHS, you see here the different biblical books. Let's choose one for illustration purposes. Let's go to Genesis. And yeah, on top you can also choose once you're there. It starts with Genesis 1 verse 1. Let's go to Genesis 15. Here we have Genesis 15, starting in verse 1. So as an example, when you hover over a word in the text, you see that an additional pop-up appears in case you want the parsing information for a verb. Let's choose from verse 2, the first word, which is a verb, vayomer. Then you see the complete parsing information, starting with the root, in this case, Aleph Mem Resh. The basic meaning, it doesn't go beyond that. It doesn't give you the full lexical entry that you would find in a lexicon like the BDB, the Brown Driver Briggs. So basic meaning, say. And then the relevant parsing information. It means at first that it's a verb. It informs you about the stem. Stem is kal, the conjugation, vayiktol, the person, third person masculine singular. So supplying all the relevant information on including number and gender. When it comes to the other parts of speech, like nouns, the next word is Avram. It's a proper noun, as we can see here in the information in the black box. We get the information about the word in question. In case that it's a noun, the noun will appear in its absolute form in the black box, not necessarily in the text. Of course, it could be part of a construct chain. Again, you get the basic translation. Here we have a proper noun, so it's Abram. But let's choose the next word, which is Adonai, Lord. A proper noun, masculine, singular, absolute. Oh, let's choose the next one, Ma. An interrogative pronoun, meaning what? So this is a very useful service that Bible Bento provide to us. So parsing is provided, parsing for verbs, and in addition to seeing the full parsing information of the verb, you also see where the root appears in the surrounding verses. We look for another verb, yetze, for example, here. Yetze, Yud Tzadeh Aleph being the root, meaning to go out, a verb kal, imperfect, third person, masculine, singular. We also wanted to speak about diagramming biblical Hebrew verses. You can do that, and it's an advantage to know about diagramming verses, which is a way to visualize how the different parts of a sentence fit together. So this website does that. It visualizes how the different parts of a sentence fit together. If you want to see the complete verse diagrammed, in this case here, Genesis 15, it's not yet, verse 15 also. But if you want verse, whatever, this is just an example. Let's choose here verse 2. But if you want to see that, you go back to BHS, then you choose BHS in parentheses W/linguistic annotations. You click on it, and then you see, if we choose again chapter 15, and go down to verse 2, there's the information on the chapter and the verse. So here you see the complete verse diagram. The feature allows you to see the constituents, how they fit together in the verse. So the first element is the conjunction, the. Then we have the verb we just discussed, vayomer, the vayiktal verb. Then the proper noun, and you see the information underneath. Adonai Elohim, Mati Ten Li. And when you hover over the word, you see the full information again in this black square. I find this to be a very useful website, first of all, for the parsing information, and then also for diagramming biblical Hebrew verses. For more information about this website and to get some YouTube tutorials on all the nice features of this website, please click on the link that you find in the description below. Yeah, they made a playlist on all kinds of things, all kinds of tutorials and features that this website offers. You see them here on the right. You can scroll down. They have Bible maps and the like. So they're explaining the abbreviations. Here you can see in the video BHS, KGV, and so forth. So some useful information. Thank you for listening. Shalom. Bye-bye.